So I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. The name still remains the same. I'm Ken Rhymes, co-founder of Frando Technology Company. Yes, I welcome all my fresh subscribers to join new episode on my number platform. Here we also talk about how to make money, tech, and a lot of things. Yeah, so if you're also new here, please make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel. So today I want to show you how you can create 100k naira market on Paxful and trade with legit people. So recently people have been complaining to me that, oh bro, how can I sell with legit people? How can I buy from legit people? So this video I will just give you some short secrets, but if you want to know much about it, I will leave my number in the description or on the screen so you chat me and I will tell you more. Yeah, but on the free. Yeah, so no time to waste. Let's go to Paxful and let me show you how you can do it. Yeah, yeah. So when I come to Paxful, this is how Paxful look like. So I'll jump straight towards market, market. And since I want to create a market on here and trade with people, this is what I will do. I'll click on the top right corner, the plus sign, and it's loading. Yeah, and I'll click on what USDT. And this what would you like to do? Sir, your offer will be listed on the buyer USDT page. So buy USDT. Your offer will be listed on the sell USDT page. So I will say like I want to be on sell. Sell so this means that people who want to buy will what see me. And if I say buy, so people who want to what sell what will see me. Yeah. So because I'm from Nigeria, I'm from Ghana though, but I'm doing this for Nigeria people. I'll go to filter first and I'll search Nigeria, and I'll say the currency will be what in naira. So Nigeria naira. Yeah. Then I'll close the filter. After you have seen it, yeah. Then I'll go to USDT. So I'll click on the plus again just to change the filter here. And one thing about this, before you can create a market on this app, first of all, you have to what, deposit money from your other wallet to Paxful wallet. And I hope you know how you do it. If you don't know, I'll show you. Yeah. So you choose your payments. I said okay, all payments. I want all payments. Sorry. Or let's say digital currencies. Okay. Let's say I want to use, let's say, USDT. Okay, let's example though, USDT. Yeah. And the currency, I can choose the currency I want. Since I'm in Nigeria, I'll say Nigerian naira. I hope you're following what I'm doing. Yeah, Nigerian naira. Then I'll click on next step. So next step, choose USDT rate you want to use. So you have market price. Your offers selling price will change according to the market price. So if I click on the market price, that means I will use Paxful market rate price. So let's say right now Paxful market rate is, let's say, let's say one USDT is equal to, let's say 2.1k. That's what Paxful price. But I want my own price. So let's say I just want to what sell my USDT at a lower rate or at a higher rate. So I will say that no, I want to fix I want to what to fix my own thing. So to fix my own thing, I will create my own this thing, my own prices, and say okay, minimum the maximum will be 100,000. You see that thing, and the minimum will be what 10,000. So in the minimum, you set your currency just below 10 points USD in value. We will prompt the buyer to pick an amount worth at least 10. You see that thing. So the minimum, if the minimum you set in your currency drops below. So let's say if the minimum is set just below 10 USD, so you have to make sure that the minimum you want to set is more than 10 USD. So if it's below 10 USD, they will tell the person, they'll tell the customer that okay, this person has is selling less than 10 USD. I hope you understand. So if the minimum you set in your currency just below 10 USD in value, we will prompt the buyer to pick an amount worth at least 10 USD to proceed with the trade. Because on Paxful, they don't sell anything below 10 USD. You see, so you have to always set your minimum rate at, let's say, 10 USD. So you have to also make sure that the 10,000 naira is equivalent to what 10 USD. The 10k is equivalent to what 10 USD. So if it's not equivalent to 10 USD, Paxful will alert the buyer that he or she have to what buy it at the lower rate at what 10 USD before they can proceed. Yeah. So after that, you provide your ID and proof of address to increase your trade limit to, yeah. So if you provide all this thing finish, they will increase your maximum trading limit to 5 million naira. You see that thing. So you have to what? And that one too, you'll be part of the trusted people over there. Yeah. So this is how you create your market. I hope you understand. So this is how you create your market. And you have to verify. If you verify it and you go to and you verify with this thing verify it, only people who are legit will buy from you, because you see that you need only trusted people to trade with. Yeah, and we have offer time limits. This is how much time your trade partners has to make the payment and click paid before the trade is automatically cancelled. So are we seeing that, like, let's say I can say let's say 5 minutes or 10 minutes, or let's say 30 minutes. Let me explain something to you. So when I set my offer time limit to 30 minutes, it means that within 30 minutes we have to what do the trade. So if the trade is delaying and it's past 30 minutes, automatically the trade will cancel. So let's say the person wants to fraud you, blah 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 blah. Within that minute, it will cancel. It will cancel. Yeah. So let me go to here and show you one secret you have to know. So let me show you one secret you have to know. Let me go to sell. So if you have a USDT in other platform and you want to sell over here, I want to show you one way to know that this person is raw or is fake. Only just one. I'm showing just one. I've tried. And if you want more, you can alert me and I'll show you. At times, don't consider the positive feedback. Let me show you trusted offers only. You see, this person is trusted person, but he or she has what 10 thumb down. That means 10 wrong or bad feedbacks. You see that thing? So at times don't consider that one. Yeah. Because some people just give some people feedback because they delayed or because they weren't all that straight up, but it's not thing, yeah. So let me show you one secret about this thing. So have we seen that every person has its own withdrawal wallet. So let's say this person is Eversend. So I click on it. I'll go to here. It's from Kenya. Eversend is accepted in Kenya, Uganda, London, USA, Ghana, and right now they have added Cameroon and Cote d'Ivoire to it. So any person that said that he or she is using Eversend, and let's say he's from Pakistan, that person is a scammer. Pakistan person can't use Eversend to receive money. That means the person is what? A scammer. And let me tell you one thing. Have you seen the Kenya flag? No matter what, you can't fraud this system. So this system, when you are trying to create accounts over here, they will ask you about your ID card. So the ID card you provide will, let's say I provided Nigerian card ID card. So automatically the flag over here will be Nigerian card flag. So if I'm in Ghana and I verify with Ghana card, the flag will be Ghana card. But the payment method, I can forward it. I can say that I'll be receiving. I know that a lot of people are on Eversend, so I can say that okay, let me do it Eversend so that I'll attract more attention. So you have to what be vigilant about that. And we have almost five things you have to know that this person is a scammer or not. And sometimes too, some person will be, let's say, in let's say Gabon, and he's like he or she's using Eversend, though he can be original. So other that one too, we have the other four alternatives you have to look before you know that this person is a real person or he's here for a scam reason. So that one, if you chat me, and I'll show you all this thing. So I hope this class is very clear, and I think I'm done. I'm out. Thank you.